peace is bigger than fucking just anything. What's up, bro?
What up, bro? How are you?
Great, bro. How you doing?
Doing good, man. I was just making some coffee. I saw you.
Making
It's
some
pretty
coffee.
funny. So
Hey, talk to me, bro. How was
it
trading, bro?
was good, man. We got like a couple of good trades. It's a Friday, so we just called it a day pretty early.
Okay. Talk to us about your show. What day it's on? Let them know, right?
Uh, so we're doing it Tuesdays. I mean, we thought that it
Tuesday.
kind of made sense to do it on a Tuesday because, people want to know what's happening in the market. So doing it next Tuesday on YouTube. And yeah, let's get it. We'll see how it goes.
All right, y'all heard it here, man. Rab gonna be on live YouTube Tuesday.
Yeah.
What's the show called?
Stock Tuesdays.
Stop Tuesdays.
Yeah.
Fuck you mean. Stop Sundays and stop Tuesday. Let's get it.
Yeah, we get
So
stock every day of the week.
yeah, that's gonna be lit. And then Mike has one on Wednesday, and what Brett got Thursday?
Brett got every day. We got
Oh
pre-market,
yeah,
right?
Brett do live trade. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
Brett
yeah.
do it every day. But hell yeah, bro. How was trading today?
It was pretty good. We got like a couple of good longs off the open. We got Nvidia, SPY, a couple of times, and then yeah, pretty good day. Markets, you know how it is right now. It's just like we don't know what the fuck anyone's gonna say anytime. So it's like make your money, get out, and then enjoy the weekend.
Rav, you a hard person to catch. So I said, I'm gonna start interviewing you on live. You a hard goddamn
Dude,
motherfucker to
I'm
catch, bro.
I'm
I
introverted
respect
as fuck. What do you mean?
No,
If
no,
you
no,
think
no.
you're
I,
introverted, I am 100 times more introverted.
yeah. You are intro, but you always been that way. Like you
You know?
really. I think it's an Indian thing. Y'all like y'all peace.
Yeah.
Why don't you like? Why are you more introverted, and why is it hard for you to be extroverted?
I mean, it's not like hard. I'm just selective. You know how it is.
Yeah,
It's just being selective, protecting. I feel like traders, as in general, right? You want to like avoid drama, keep your mental space occupied. You don't want to know what fucking anybody's saying. Like, literally. I mean, you can understand that also. You know,
yeah,
just keep your mental peace. Focus about getting the money. Brett says he wants in also. Adam.
yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah. I'm gonna add Brett. You want
yeah.
to get in? Request me, Brett. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's get Brett
Just
in.
about protecting your peace. Honestly, once you make a bunch of money, it's like, do I really want that? Nah. It's kind of that.
Hey, what's up, Brett? Brett the threat in this motherfucker.
What's going on over
Did you go
here?
to
Man,
school, man? Why,
it's
why
a
you why you
fine.
wearing a
My little uniform.
yeah? What the fuck are you wearing?
I wear something like this every day. This is my
Bro, we
I,
gotta
I go to
go live every day. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. I feel like that should have really helped.
Yeah.
So talk to
how's
me,
everybody doing?
guys. What's up with the market, Brett? What's your opinion on the market right now?
I think you can make a lot of money or you can lose a lot of money.
Yeah.
But it's a
No
good
shit.
it's a good
Right.
it's a good market. It's a good market to trade in, but you gotta have the direction
Yeah.
right. Because if you're wrong, you're very wrong. Yeah.
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 But
Bro,
it, it's a
I'm surprised we made it out real green this week, bro. This was a crazy fucking week.
Bruh, it's insane, man. Like the way the market's moving up or down, we've been like killing it. Touch wood, like crazy.
yeah.
Like not even like trying to like overplay it or anything. I'm amazed. Like with this week, I think it's been one of the craziest weeks. And I've been trading for 11 years. This is insane. This is insane. If you guys made any money this week, props to you because it's crazy.
Nah, like that. You're right. You're right. I think the craziness is just the continuous up and
Hmm.
down. It literally it switched days. So it was green, red. Was it red, green, red, green? I think it
Yeah,
was red,
it
green,
was red,
red,
green,
green.
red, green. You post on
Yeah.
Twitter, up, down, up, down. You just don't know.
So
One day
people
we're
think that. Boy, what you want to say, Brett? You got something?
I said buy the dip. Buy the dip and hold. Close down the hatches. Don't sell the long term. That's my mindset. I mean, every
that's
dip.
that's what I did, but it keeps dipping, man.
Don't worry. Just buy. Just close down the hatches. Close down the hatches. Buy more.
Yeah.
Day trading. If you're day trading, just be careful. I mean, this is a good market to day trade. It is a good market to day trade in. It's fine, but you have to keep your stops tight.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. Like that. That's the biggest thing. Like long term, keep buying. Day trades, do it, but just keep in mind the volatility is crazy, right? Because if you're caught on the wrong side of the trend, you're gonna get hit hard, right? So that's what it is. Swing trading is probably tough right now, but day trade and long term, this is a good time.
Long term, the
Bro,
market always goes up.
Rav,
Yeah.
I had a question. You remember, did you do the data right? So you noticed that in 2018, when the market dropped, it dropped 20%, then it recovered. You remember that,
Yeah.
right? So that was the trade war with Trump. So then we got the market that dropped 20% today. And like, what do y'all think? Do y'all feel like history will repeat itself and it'll go back to all-time highs and they're just creating all this news to try to scare people from buying the dip, or you feel
100%.
like this is another dead cat bounce?
This could be a red cat, but long term will always go up. So that's the thing. Market does not like uncertainty. We could say China this, China that, but China is literally manufacturing everything. Even the Make in America Great Again cap is manufactured in China. So it's like, so there has to be resolution. It's just about whose dick is bigger right now. That's why they're playing right now. And eventually they'll work out a deal. Until they work out, market's going to go up or down, but the rich guys are always buying. The people who are like, they're just, that's the thing. When market was at highs, everyone was praying for dips. Now we finally have the dip. And now everyone's fear mongering. You know, you got to
E-
buy the dip. You got to buy the fear. And when no one wants it, that's when you buy. It could be a dead cat bounce, but long term, the market will keep going up.
Everybody,
I'm just praying for a bigger crash also so that we can buy more.
everybody wants it to dip until it actually dips, so no one wants to
That's
buy
the
the dip.
thing. Like, it's just crazy, right? The way people's mind works. They don't mind buying Tesla at 400, but now it's at 200. They don't want it. Same
That's
Yeah.
thing.
crazy.
It's just crazy. You know,
Crazy.
Meta is at for 480 or something. They don't want it, but Meta's at 600. They want it. So why? Come on, just buy it now. Like
Yeah,
Meta's not going to go
Where Mike at? I'm
anywhere.
trying to see if Mike in here. He in here?
he's here. I think he's in the chat.
I just saw it in the chart. Yeah.
Hey Mike, you gotta request me a live. We gotta do this often, bro. We gotta do this damn near every day. They like it. This is a smash hit. Cause I'm gonna just post it on YouTube. We
Yeah,
can
yeah.
go live and then we just talk about the market for a little bit, and then I would just post it on YouTube,
We should
and
do
then
it
we
on.
can
We should
create.
do it on
Yeah,
Fridays.
Yeah, let's do it
On Fridays,
on Friday. Let's make it a
let's just
Friday.
do it. As often as we can. How about
Okay.
that? I say y'all boys. I'll post in the group chat. Y'all boys trying to go live. Let's get it.
All right, let's just do it. Yeah.
Let me
I
see
mean,
if Mike
that's better
works
actually.
for me.
Let's just do it. It's just IG live, so we don't have to,
Yeah, let's just do it,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah,
It's
yeah,
just
yeah.
IG live, and then it could easily be posted on YouTube. Cause y'all see that's what I'm doing now.
Yeah.
I'm just posting them straight to YouTube, and then that way members can come in and you know what I'm saying, talk about their experience, and then it could be like yeah, bro. I feel like that's some we gonna add that to the game plan for sure.
Yeah.
Facts when the dip comes, cause that way they can get more perspective too. Cause I could talk, Rab could talk, Brett could talk. We get Mike on here. I'm waiting on Mike to request me. Mike, you got a request to come on the live.
Now they'll
But
always
I was
say, "Don't buy." It's just we gotta just buy. Every time we dip, we miss out on an opportunity, and
yeah,
then they
exactly.
say that the market's never gonna go back up. It always goes back up.
When
I
the market,
think I think what it is during this time, you have to really be careful who you listen to, because you're going to have fear mongers and then you're going to have dip buyers. So who do you listen to? Because everybody's going to come aggressively with their tone. The fear mongers, the world is about to end, China, blah blah blah, this that. Then you got the people who optimistic, like, bro, buy the deal. I'm telling y'all.
Yeah.
So that's why it builds fear. It makes you want to stand
Yeah.
still because you like, okay. And then that's what scares people from buying the dip. So that's why I tell people, join Honeydrip. You get what I mean?
No, that's
That's
the
a
thing.
common
We
challenge.
we day trade, swing trade, do long terms, do account challenges, sports bet, everything. Pick your poison. You just that's the thing. Day trading, we make money every day. Put that money into your long term. Keep building it. Right. If you don't put your money to work, 7% inflation. I mean, they say it's 2%, but I'm sure it's still 7%. Like I don't see anything dropping. You know, price once it goes up, it never comes back down. So you just keep buying in long term, and eventually you'll become rich.
The thing is that
Okay, Mike,
there's
this is a
more.
question.
There's more viewership on fear, right? Think about like the weather, man. Who watches the weather when it's a nice sunny day outside? No, they only watch it when it's raining, right?
Right.
There's Mike. Mike, what's the hat?
It's
What's the
lit.
hat?
It's a
I
plane.
think I think
That's
Mike
nice.
lit right now, guys. When Mike
Dude,
go
it's
to
like his view now.
PR right there,
oh
baby.
god.
Man, I can't wait till you move to PR and we come visit.
Yeah, for sure. This is gonna be the Honeydrip headquarters.
HQ.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Brett said he was thinking about coming out here too.
But that's a lot of
I think
things I wouldn't like pay
he
attention
does.
to.
But you gotta think, bro. You gotta think, okay, if all you gotta do is be here for 183 days and you pay 0% capital gains taxes on your trades, and then you pay 5% on the money you make from business, and then you can still do tax deductions from the 5%. So essentially you only paying about 3% taxes. Think about that.
Yeah.
Out of all the money you
Yeah.
make, you only paying 3%. It's a no-brainer for me.
Especially if you establish residency there, yeah. No, that's just everyone's doing that. I mean, Logan Paul, Jake Paul, and all those guys, and a bunch of
Yeah,
traders. You know,
Yeah,
right.
Puerto Rico is
Well, we're
awesome
gonna get
too.
Midas on here too sometime too. I wish I could leave so Midas could take my spot. See, as a leader, hey, I give up my spot.
I think
But yeah, that's
Midas is trading.
out here.
Midas is trading right now.
Midas is trading right now.
He's
wait,
trading.
Oh, lit,
no,
lit,
no. He
lit.
Yeah.
said he's on a plane. No, so no.
Oh, okay. I thought he was in Spy or something.
I
Well,
mean,
we gotta
both could be
take another
true.
road trip. We gotta take another. We definitely gotta take a PJ trip this summer.
Yeah,
Let's do
let's do it.
it.
Well,
Vegas,
where are we going, guys? On live. Let's
Well,
plan it
hold
right
I
on.
now.
If
think we should go to San Diego.
San
San
Diego.
Diego.
What's
San
there in San
Diego's
Diego?
awesome, man.
Oh
The
yeah,
food
that's
is
true.
so good. They have fish
I fuck with
tacos.
San Diego.
Yeah.
I like San
no,
Diego.
let's go to Jackson Hole. Jackson Hole.
No, let's go to Alabama, dude, or something like that. I'm just
Alabama.
kidding.
We could. I
Oh
go
man,
anywhere, bro.
We could do the
We can
South.
go to. We can go to.
I think
Y'all
maybe
want to go
we should do
south?
like South Texas or something. We've not like done something like that.
Yeah.
I fuck with Texas. We go to Texas. We can go to goddamn. Uh, why not? It's my birthday tomorrow. Give me
For
that.
sure.
Might as well hit this goddamn blunt.
Uh
Financial free.
oh.
Make sure, make sure you guys comment the word challenge. This is my last year being a YN. But yeah, man, Mike, talk to me. How you feel about the market right now? We all talked about ours. How you feel about it?
It's crazy, man. It's just so news driven. You can't even look at the charts. I mean, we bounced off that big 480 level, but that doesn't mean anything right now. If there's more news that comes out, we could go back to all-time highs. We go to 450. It's just totally news driven.
Yeah.
So how
It
do
just
y'all feel
depends.
about the direction of the news? Are you neutral? Like y'all don't really know, or are you like, okay, this trade war is going to get settled out, and then we're going to go to all-time highs, or y'all feel like Trump about to double back because China just doubled back? What y'all think about to happen?
I mean, knowing Trump's personality, right? He likes the spectacle, everything. Right now, it seems like he's backing off, right? Things could escalate. I mean, China is trying to be a world power, so they don't want to be seen as weak, right? So things could escalate. I mean, that's the thing. If everyone's calm about it, they'll just get behind closed doors and make a deal. But right now, everything's happening online on Twitter and everything. It's just not a good look for both countries.
Right.
The
Twitter
problem
So
is
is a
yeah,
wild
they
place.
both,
I'll say that.
both have
it's
their
just
Twitter
risks.
is
like
a
they're like beefing online, and they're posting memes and beefing, and it's like, dude, like, are you guys like for real right now? It's just like crazy.
Twitter has like the most cap traders in the history of any platform. Like
Everyone's making
I've
100K a
never
day,
seen.
dude.
It's
Everyone's
all these
making
dumbass
100K a
prop
day. Did you
firm
see that
traders.
500K? I saw you like that.
Yeah.
I was
Everybody's
like,
making, yeah, everybody's fucking, yeah. I'm like, damn. This shit is crazy.
If you
Yeah,
if you make 5K a day anymore, it's nothing compared to these
it's
Oh,
crazy
not
dude,
options.
enough.
like, oh
Not
my
not,
God.
not 5K is nothing.
Dude, like, I've never seen, like, it's just crazy, like, social media is like, that's why I don't like social media that much. It's like, dude, like, it's just crazy. It just creates this illusion of, like, everyone's doing better than you and shit.
Right.
Ah,
It's like, there was a time when it was okay, but now it's like, dude, like, that's crazy. Market's in a $2 range and saying I made 50K today. It's like, what?
thank you,
It's,
bro.
it's because
Bro,
they're
these
taking
dudes will
30
literally make
contracts as NQ.
200K
Oh, yeah.
off nothing and then
They're
Don't
post
even
it
take,
with a straight face. Like these dudes are really posting every day too. Like they'll really be like, bro, I'm up this and that. Then crop screenshot all the time, blurry Minecraft screenshot of
Right,
400K.
right.
If I made time out, bro, if I made 400K, I would get the best picture and the best fucking like. I'm talking about like I would do everything I can to prove it. Bring that camera. Fuck that. Come look. This is live trading. Fuck you mean like that's like think about it. If you really made that much money, you not about to crop no screenshot. You about to be like, hey, fuck that. No, no, no. You about to see this shit real. This right here, this is 400. That's how I did.
yeah.
Yeah. Also, my question is, if they're actually making 100K a day, why not just trade their own money?
yeah, they're on prop firms
True.
still.
Why are
That's
they on a
true.
prop firm? Just trade your own money.
That is true.
Uh,
I
I
think
don't
that,
even understand all of that. Like, it's just like, it's kind of like, I don't know. I don't even understand all of that concept. It's
but
just,
the
That
crazy
crop firm
thing
shit
now
is
is they're getting
crazy.
dude, it's
kicked
like
off.
some kind of scheme, dude. I just like, they get paid to promote all of that. That's the reason for
No,
all of
but
that. Like, I just don't understand it.
they get kicked off the prop firms now. So basically what's happening is you a lot of like those big social media guys are posting 100K gains, and Top Step, Apex, they're actually kicking off those influencers because they're like, no, these people never made 100K, right? So they're actually starting to do that now, which I think is good. Like
Good.
if you're
Yeah.
displaying gains that are 100K, like getting kicked off if they're actually not making 100K because
Yeah.
it's just scamming.
Damn.
Yeah.
Everything's scammy. I just, yeah.
So like you guys, what's y'all opinion on prop firms?
Man, I don't really know. I mean, the prop firms, the general concept is they make money on the challenges that you do. They, if you lose, they make money. That's it, basically. You
That's
lose
their
those challenges, keep buying
goal.
more and more.
Yeah.
That's their goal. So the few people that do make money, I have heard some people do get paid though. Like if you follow the rules and whatnot. I've also heard that if you start making too much money, they'll start to ban you and
Right.
stuff like that.
But the
So
thing
it's
is,
Yeah.
like, it's a
it
flip.
is good. It is good for new traders to start with the platform. It's actually a good way to learn, right? A hundred
Right,
percent.
right, right.
But when you make your own money and get payouts, don't stay in anymore. Go to a
Yeah.
trade station. Go to a real broker. But to learn, I think it's a good place to start. Like
No,
for sure.
100%. I agree.
I
Yeah.
think
Why,
that's the
why burn your own
point
money?
because like
Yeah.
it only lasts for a little bit. Like Brett said, let's just say I do make 50K. Why don't I take my 50K and leverage it and go make some more money?
Right.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
I
don't.
feel like every trader's goal should be to get to that 100K mark. Once you make 100K, I feel like life gets a little easier. You start making like 1 or 2K a day and then get a baseline. Do a couple of good years and then you're set for life. Dude, if you start to
I,
make
I,
Yeah.
1 to
I used
2K
to
a day,
think
it's
that
like
too.
you don't need anything.
I, I used to think that too. Like, okay, I got to make 10K a day. I got to do this and that. But then I realized I need to make it easy for myself. 3K,
Yeah.
5K base hits because like you don't need the whole point of trading is to live off of it. I know that I don't need for my living expenses. I could make 4K, 3K a day and be straight and travel the world, eat good food. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like,
It's all
and
about
then
the
I can put a
convenience.
lot of my money into long term and let that be the big maker. But the day trading is just to get by. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There will
Yeah.
be some days you can make really good money. Like Brett and I were talking about this. Like you can make like big gains some days, and some days you just make 3K, 4K. Be happy with it. The thing is, if you have 3 or 4 good months, 5 months, good months, and then everything just scales up, you don't have to go and make a 30K every day. The more you try to do that, I've been there, done trying, doing all of that. It's just not worth the stress. You just can't keep it up. You will eventually burn out and make mistakes, and that's just not worth it. You know, get to
I
make your
think it's
money. Once you made your
possible.
money, you keep it.
I think it's possible to do it once a week
Yeah.
at minimum. But what people got confused, but you got to have your best setup. I think that is possible. Like, let's just say you only go heavy on this particular setup, but you guys and I know that the best setups happen every 3 days ish for a day
Yeah,
trader.
Yeah.
yeah,
Right or wrong,
yeah,
right? I'm
Yeah.
talking about the ultimate best setup happens about twice a week, not every day. So a
okay,
lot of people think you can consistently make the same money every day, and that's not true. You just
yeah,
need to wait for your setup to happen, whether that happens today, whether it happens. If it didn't happen that day, don't play nothing.
yeah, 100%. You got to be very selective. A lot of people wake up thinking they have money goals. I want to make this much every day. You just don't know if you want to make that. The market won't give you sometimes, and that's when mistakes happen.
Nah, for sure,
Yeah.
for sure. So like everybody, y'all got any else things to say about Trump in the market in China?
Hopefully, there's no world war over the weekend. Like, I just want to
Yeah.
sleep, man. Not looking, worrying about long term and everything. It's just like these guys
There's
are
just
just
no way
like
to know what's gonna happen.
nowhere to know what's gonna
Yeah.
happen. It's just
That's
like
why I didn't swing nothing. I said, man, I'm gonna have to get
like
out, man. I don't
like
got time. I don't know.
people be like, oh, why is my position down? You see the whole market's down. Like, what are you gonna do? Like everything's down. Everything's down. That's it. Like whole economy is down.
Yeah.
So you just gotta like absorb this pain. You gotta be a little like kind of like I feel like if you care about too much about money, it'll be harder to make money. So you just gotta like absorb this pressure and then keep buying when you get chances, and then believe in the long term. That's all you can do. And
Mike,
yeah,
I remember you mentioned this thing called the Bloomberg terminal, right?
Yeah.
How much that costs? Like 16K a year?
25.
I mean,
27 a
20,
year.
yeah,
you said 20 a
27.
month?
year.
27,000
27
a
a
year.
month.
A
I think
year.
A
they
year?
raised prices also. I think it's like 30 plus now.
It might be 30
Inflation.
plus thousand a
Yeah.
year now.
Yeah.
That ain't bad. So like, do you feel like that would be a good addition to the chat?
No,
Nah.
we don't need it.
We day
All
trade.
right.
We don't need all of that, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
We
don't
don't need
trade the
a
news though. I don't even know how to trade the news.
yeah, it's just pointless. Like that's the thing. We just trade levels and we don't need news. We don't really like, we pay attention to data and whatnot, but we don't really need to take that. We don't need option flow. We don't need any of that. Like keep
No.
it simple.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I
it's
don't
fine.
even watch
I mean,
the Go to Sleep channel, but some
Yeah.
people do.
honestly,
It's good.
Yeah.
Twitter is so good about posting news these days that we
Yeah.
get it a minute later.
Yeah.
That is it's true though. Like on Twitter, you can literally we can set up like somebody who just pays attention to the news.
Walter Bloomberg.
Yeah.
Yeah, Walter
He
Bloomberg.
just
Yeah.
There's
copy and paste from the Bloomberg terminal.
Okay.
there's also First Squawk, News Squawk, and Walter Bloomberg. If you follow all three of those channels, you already have better news than you're basically getting Bloomberg Terminal, but it's like
For
two
free. Yeah.
seconds
Yeah.
delayed.
I might put the tweet box in there so we can go see. I might put Bloomberg and First Squawk
Yeah,
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
our
I
chat.
yeah.
would do the
Yeah.
Walter Bloomberg because he literally just copy and paste from the terminal.
So not First Squawk.
Yeah. Both. You could do both.
It's the same
Yeah, I'm gonna
thing
do both.
pretty much. Yeah.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
the same thing.
Pretty
I'm
much. I
gonna
mean,
put
the
both.
headlines are
Actually,
pretty
Brent,
similar,
set
right?
me up. Set me up, Brent.
We'll get it. We'll get it added. We're gonna get it added because the thing
Yeah.
is the thing is that I think they're different though. I think Bloomberg and News Squawk they do some stuff different, but we'll get them all added. So we'll have them all.
Yeah.
We'll get them all added.
Yeah.
Mike,
Hey,
Mike,
say you've been
all
trying
the
to
women in the
spend
chat are
40K
talking
to
about you,
10K
man.
for the longest. But
What did you
look,
say,
but
Brett?
that's the comment challenge. The thing is, even if I flip you from 1,000 to 3,000, it's still something.
Yeah.
What did you
That's
say,
the
Brett?
whole point.
I'll tell you later. I'll tell you later, man.
Okay.
Brett always has some like trader drama going on.
Brett will
No,
go visit. Brett will go visit in Puerto Rico, but he'll show up on a Thursday night and leave on Friday morning.
Oh yeah.
That's probably
Brett
that's
will
why
know
you
about.
gotta tell Brett, bring your girl, because you
Oh
know
no.
what, you know why he going
right.
back.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then,
Let's not talk
Brett,
about any of
Brett,
that
everywhere
stuff
you
right now.
go, bring her. And God damn it, because she be like, get home right now, Brett. God damn it.
He's not wrong. He's not wrong. He's
I
absolutely not
know.
wrong.
I know. I bet she'd be like, you better get home. I know.
You're not wrong. You're
Yeah.
not wrong.
Yeah, Brett. So we got to make sure she's straight, because that's the only way we going to get you anywhere.
So is it stop posting spreadsheets and post actual account statements? Okay. I mean, you could
Yeah.
do that. I mean, we could do it. I'll do it. We've done it. I think
I,
we've all done it before.
I just hope and pray like like every our account out there does the same thing though. Because like fuck, posting for years and none of those the guys ever did anything about
Right.
real
Well,
P&L
what,
and whatnot.
People
Yeah,
people
bro?
don't
Of
care
course,
about big
we
P&L.
bro. I'm gonna tell
we've
y'all how
all
to. This what
shown
you do.
Honestly, I don't
You
even
just
care
block.
anymore.
Hey, Brett, I'm gonna show you what you do with people like that. You just block them.
That's
I
No,
just
that's
block
what
smart.
Brett
them.
will do is Brett will go respond to him. Brett will like you know like get donations from him.
we've all shown video P&L.
Oh
Mine's
man.
pinned in my comments.
I can show
But here's my
it
thing,
right
folks.
now. Okay. Yeah, but no, that's always how it is though. People do that all the time.
Yeah, but nah, I'm about to do a small account long term thing. We'll help you build your shit.
Yeah.
You know,
Is
I'm
that
just
and
Jeff?
right
gonna once there's a bot, I'm just gonna full port the small account challenge. That's
right
it. And this
right now I could do that, but the thing is I don't want to practice improper risk
I know.
management because
But where's
like
the
I'm
bottom,
trading
man?
like
Where's the bottom?
Dude, if I knew that I would not be like waiting, dude.
hey,
I
here's the
know.
thing though. Here's the thing though. Here's how I see it. If I flip mines, oh yeah, bet. All right. So shit, I gotta go. But here's how I
All
think
right, all right.
about it, bro. If I flipped it from 1K to 3K, and you flipped yours from 1,000 to two, and then so that's everything adds up. So really, if you add up all the plays we made, that's about 6,000 they could have made since all of us started it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And honestly,
And Mike,
it's a challenge in everything. We're doing day trades also, right? Combined with the day trades, like make $50 a day, $100 a day. People don't think about that. You know, you just
yeah,
keep
yeah,
adding up.
yeah. Like think about it. Like, and we call swing trades, we call
Yeah.
day trades, leap trades. So it's other ways. Really, we flipped your account probably since this year off our plays. If you just followed our plays just blindly, I would say shit, probably 10x to be honest. We weren't bullshitting.
Yeah.
But I gotta go and look at some properties, so I gotta go.
All right, man. See ya. Have
All right,
fun.
guys.
Let's
Yeah.
Have
do
a
it
good
again soon.
weekend.
Yeah.
See ya.
Yes. All right.